Hey everyone! If your Bose QuietComfort earbuds are flashing red and white, don't panic. This usually signals a connection or charging hiccup, and today I'll show you exactly how to fix it in just a few simple steps. Stick around because by the end, your earbuds should be working like new. So, what does that red and white flashing mean? Basically, your earbuds are struggling to connect or have some corrupted pairing data. The good news is there's a simple hierarchy of fixes. Start small, then move to bigger resets only if needed. Forget the earbuds. First, open your device's Bluetooth settings. Find your Bose QC earbuds in the list and select Forget or Remove Device. This clears any corrupted pairing info that might be causing the flashing issue. Soft reset. Next, try a soft reset. Place both earbuds back in their charging case, close the lid, and wait about 30 seconds. Open the lid again and check the LEDs. In most cases, they should stop flashing and return to normal. Factory reset if needed. If the flashing continues, a factory reset usually does the trick. Keep the earbuds in the case with the lid open. Press and hold the Bluetooth button on the case for around 30 seconds. You'll see the LED change to blue or white, signaling the reset is complete. After this, pair your earbuds with your device again as if they're brand new. And that's it. With these steps, your Bose QC earbuds should be back to normal and you're ready to enjoy flawless sound again. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy listening.